Hi, this is the FabFitFun Spring 2023 box. I don't particularly think this looks like spring, but okay. I mean, the colors kind of are, but I don't know what cake has to do with spring. So personally, that was my first impression of this box. I don't know, I just don't think it looks like spring. I will show you what I got. Yeah, this box is huge. Huge. And oh cool, there's a game. I got this FabFitFun and Games Ultimate Prize Pack valued at $10,000 plus. Scratch and match. Match 4 cakes in a row to win. Play for a chance to win thousands of winners. Alright, we're gonna play 10 years of FabFitFun. And there's a QR code. In case you want to know what this is. And what does it say? 4 cakes in a row. So they have to be next to each other, I guess. I got nothing yet. So they have to be next to each other. And so far I got nothing. Nothing. Alright, this is a losing ticket. I didn't win. It's a losing ticket. That means I didn't win. Alright, this is going in the garbage. And that's not the garbage, it's okay. Alright, so I'm gonna be brutally honest because that's how I am. I was so excited when I saw the previews from FabFitFun on their Instagram, and I was like, excited because they had some really cool stuff that I thought was going to be available when it was my turn to pick my customizations for my spring 2023 box. And then when it was time for me to pick my customizations, when I was ready and able to, most of those items were no longer available. So this is what I got. This is the best I can get. And I did comment that, and I said, FabFitFun, how I wish I would have known or realized that the great items were going to be unavailable, so you gotta like hurry and get them. And I work full time, so when I'm busy working, I don't have time to pick FabFitFun. So, I mean, that's not their fault, but so basically, if you want to get the best stuff for FabFitFun, or from FabFitFun for their seasonal boxes, you have to like get in it real fast and pick your stuff before it runs out. Because when I was ready to do mine, the stuff had run out. So the best I could do was, I got this bag. This is like it's an insulated cooler backpack, which is cute. The stuff inside here is very spring, but the box itself doesn't scream spring to me. That's just me. So this is really cute. It's a fruity insulated cooler backpack. And I got these little dishes. I think it's a 4-pack. Set of 4 melamine plates from a brand called Katie Kime. I don't know what Katie Kime is, but you might. And you can put this in the top rack of your dishwasher. They're blue. Let me show you. Katie Kime, I don't know who she is, but these are cute. So it's a pack of 4, a set of 4 plates. They're blue with white florally prints on that side, and then the back is just solid blue. These are Spring Lake to me. And they're cute. And I was like, why not? So I got these plates. I like how deep they are. It's probably really good for when I want to have salad, because I eat a lot of salad. Maybe 2 of these. Yeah, how come I got 2 of them? I don't know. Why did I get 2 backpacks? Did I do that by accident? I don't know. But I got 2 backpacks. Cooler backpacks. I got the plates. Oh, I got this to give Daniel's daughter. Because I don't want this. Because again, like I said, by the time it was my turn to pick my customizations, all the good stuff was taken. So I ordered this, how do you pronounce it? Bauble bar bracelet kit thing. And I have absolutely no purpose for this. So I'm going to use this. It says, build your own bracelet kit. Over 175 beads, 2 stretch cords, 2 gold cords, Bauble bar. Yeah. Not safe for children. I don't even know if she'd want this. She's gonna be 22 soon. And then I got this from Sprinkles, which I figured I'd probably give it to Kaylee also. Sprinkles silicone baking cup set of 12. I'm not gonna open this, but it says use in a muffin tin or freestanding on baking sheet. They're like pastel-y colored silicone baking cups from a brand called Sprinkles. Something else from Katie and Kind. Set of 2 berry colanders. Small and large. The small is 13 ounces and the large is 22 ounces. Ceramic. Fragile, handle with care. Wash thoroughly before use and also dishwasher safe, which I like. And I'll open this up sort of to show you what this is. Alright, so one of these are cute. This one, the small one, is a dark blue. Looks like a strawberry basket. And then raspberries, blueberries. And this one's like a lighter blue, baby blue. The large one. Figured it would come in handy at some point. Oh, let me put this in here. What am I doing? Handle with care. Aren't they cute? So yeah, handle with care. I can gently put it in the refrigerator after I wash them. And then the last item in here is from Honest, and I figured I would probably try this at some point. Honest is Jessica Alba's brand, and it's extreme length mascara and lash primer, double up on length jojoba esters in shade black. Face packs. Build length. Build extreme length and sky high lift. Prime. Create an Create an even base to enhance the mascara's performance and staying power. I might be sensitive to jojoba, but I'm really not sure, and I figured there's only one way to find out. It says ophthalmologist tested and cruelty free. We love you. Parabens, well, there's no parabens, no paraffins, no synthetic fragrances, no silicones, and no mineral oil. I'm gonna presume it's double-sided. It's a double-sided mascara wand, so one side is the primer and the other side is the mascara. Honest. Alright, so that's what this is. And Eventually I will try it. And I'll give you my honest opinion, of course. But yeah, I don't know why I got 2 of those bags. Unless like I really didn't like anything else, and that's the probability of why I did that. But that's what I got. If you're gonna pick out anything from FabFitFun, jump on it as fast as you possibly can before everything good is gone. That's my recommendation. Please feel free to use that to save on your FabFitFun purchase. I believe it's just good for 1 box. Because when I wanted to use one from somebody else, I couldn't because I wanted the whole yearly subscription. But I believe it's for 1 box. I want to give it a go. Try it for 1 buck. If you liked this video, give it a thumb up. Please subscribe to my channel, Lulu's World. And I will see you later. Bye.